You're a freak. You're a freak.
Oh, shit.
Did you say shit?
Fuck off.
Oh dear.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, you're shocking.
Robert.
She's alright, she's asleep.
Shit.
You've got Tourette.
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Oh dear indeed.
I'm sorry.
You're not sorry because you just do it all the time.
Come in.
Don't start whistling.
You're very good. You're very sorry.
What?
Stop. Wait. Oh dear. Oh.
Oh, you crack me up. I love you, darling.
Oh dear.
Hey, don't do that.
Fuck off. Straight up.
Hmm?
Fuck up. Dear. Come on, great job.
Huh?
Oh dear. Oh dear.
What's tickled your fancy then?
You're an angel.
Yeah, I'm alright, my angel.
Stupid. Oh, sorry. I love it. You're a great job.
You've never called me my angel before.
Oh. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Oh,
Oh dear.
that's enough of that one.
Fuck hell. Next out, right?
Don't mumble.
Get off me.
What?
Come in.
Oh dear, you make me laugh.
Shut up. Shut up.
Shut up. Do you mean shut up?
Fuck off.
Oh, don't be rude.
Wait, let go. Let go. Let go.
What do you mean, let go of what? I haven't got...
See you later. Fuck it.
Oh dear.
Oh dear. That wasn't it. Fuck off. Oh.
So, any words of wisdom?
Shut up. Fuck up. Fuck up. Fuck up. Ah.
That's not words of wisdom, that's just nonsense.
This moment.
Hmm?
What's it?
I can't understand you when you don't speak clearly.
Get out. Get up.
Well, what do you mean, get out?
Let go. Let go. Right, yes, sorry.
Hmm?
Wow. Oh dear.
You're a little character. Is that a budgie?
Georgia.
Hmm?
Hurry, George.
What?
Get out. Go away.
Don't be rude. Get out, go away. Charming.
Fucking cunt.
Oh! Look, that's just terrible.
Oh, fuck.
You told me... you told me you loved me earlier.
No.
You called me my angel.
You're fake, George. Let go. Let go. Sure. Let go.
can't stand it. Well, I can. But don't do that. Don't tell me to get out of my own sitting room. Are you going out? Are you going out? I'm not touching you. No, I'm not going out. If I do go out, you create a fuss. No, it's too late. Charming. Hmm? Ow! Hmm? What? 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 Oh, charming, you are horrible to me. No, it's night time. Oh. I do love you. I'd be lost without you. What do you think about that? Hmm?